Hello, today we will guide you through how to get out of a Cloudflare loop. If you keep getting stuck in a Cloudflare verification or loading loop, the issue is often related to your browser's stored site data. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the process of clearing the specific browser data that can help resolve it without removing anything unnecessary. Begin by opening the Cloudflare Domains Overview page in your browser. Once you're there, give the page a moment to fully load so all menu options appear correctly. This is the main account area where you can access your browser controls and settings while the affected page is open. Next, look to the top right corner of your browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main browser menu where you'll find tools for managing your browsing data and privacy options. If you don't immediately see the option you need, just pause for a second and scan the list carefully. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you into the browser's configuration area, where privacy and storage controls are usually located. Depending on your browser version, the layout may look slightly different, but the general path should remain very similar. Once you're in Settings, select Privacy and Security. This is where your browser stores options related to history, cookies, cached files, and other website data. Since Cloudflare loops can sometimes be caused by outdated or corrupted saved data, this section is the key place to fix the issue. In the Privacy and Security section, click Delete. This will open the area where you can choose exactly what kind of browsing data you want to remove. Be careful here because you only want to clear the items that are relevant to this issue. When the delete options appear, check Cache and Cookies only, then click Delete to confirm. Keeping the selection limited is helpful because it removes the temporary files and site data most likely causing the Cloudflare loop, while avoiding the removal of other browsing information you may want to keep. After the deletion finishes, return to the Cloudflare page and reload it. In many cases, this is enough to break the loop and allow the page to load normally again. If the page still seems stuck, wait a few seconds and refresh once more so the browser can request a clean session using the updated data. That's it. By clearing only cookies and cache from your browser settings, you can often resolve a Cloudflare loop quickly and safely. Thanks for following along, and we hope this helps you get back into your page without further interruptions.